Welcome back to another video, guys. Let's see what we can find here, guys. Look at this, guys. This is a nice trash can. Oh, there's something here. It's a nice dress. Wow, look at this. Brand new and in great condition, as you can see. Look at this. This is amazing. This is a nice sweater. And here's another one. This is a nice jacket. Look at this, guys. There's more things right here. We got another sweater. And this, I don't know what it is, but we're gonna take it. Oh, I can see something there inside. Let me go inside really quick, guys. Oh, look at this. Nice shoes. And look what we got right there, guys. Here's the wet shoes. Okay, I don't see nothing else here. That's a door right there. This one is cute. Alright, before we go, we have to clean up. Okay. Now let me just put all this stuff inside. Okay, guys, now we have to go. Let's go to the next one. Let's go. Let's see what we can find here, guys. Oh, look at this box. Let me pull this box out. Wow, this box is so heavy. Then this is a blanket. Okay, there's nothing else there. Let me see what's here, because this thing is so heavy. What a surprise! Look at all this. There's some makers right there. It's a candle. It's another candle right here. Let me see what's inside. Oh, look at this. It's a headphone. JBL. These ones are expensive. We have this fancy hat. Oh, and we got these shoes. These ones are nice. Let me look at this box now. Oh, look at that. Those two little birds. This one's so cute. Here we have another one. Oh, look at this. And some money. $2 bills. This is a blaze, guys. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And here we got some earrings. Sterling silver. This is $1. 1977. $1900s. Wow. Here's another one. This one doesn't say the year. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take all this to my car right away. And this box is in great condition too. Okay, now we're gonna go. Oh wow. This is a beautiful box. I didn't know that it has wheels. Alright. We're gonna go to the next one now. You never know what you can find. Oh, there's some food right there. Here are just boxes. Look at this. This bag is kind of heavy. 50 pounds. All right. Okay guys, now it's time to go, and I see you the next one. Let me share with you guys what I rescued today. We're gonna start with this amazing box. It had so many things inside, but I'm gonna show it to you what it was. And it has this too, that I still gotta figure out what it is. I was looking into the price of this box. Just this box has a price of $200 just for this box. And here we got this hat, fancy hat with this flower base, and these beautiful shoes, Night West. We got 2 candles, this headphone set, we got this purse, and this cosmetic bag that has some makeups inside. And this was my surprise, in this little basket. It has some money inside, $2 bills. And I got $3 coins that you can see. One is from 1977. And this one is from 1900s. And on the back we got these tiny birds, beanie babies. The money's there. I thought it was fake, but it's real. Here we got these shoes. We got this doll. And here we got this trash can. Brand new. Now let's go here. We got a couple of dress. Let's start with this one. We got this one too. And here is another one. Really nice. I really like this sweater. And this jacket. We got this blouse, this short, and this sweater. And last, I got this dog food, 50 pounds. I already checked for recall. There's no recall. And the expiration is June 25th, 2024. Okay, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.